Oh, Alex, wake up. It's 7 now. It's time to get up. Just 5 more minutes, please. No, sleepyhead. You said that already. Come on, the morning is waiting. I feel so tired. I slept very late last night. I know. You were working on your laptop, but look, I made coffee for you. Really? You made coffee? Yes. It's hot and fresh. It's on the table. Okay. Okay. I'm getting up now. Slowly. That's my husband. A new day is starting and we start it together. Breakfast is ready. Please sit down. It smells very good. What did you make today? I made scrambled eggs and toast. And of course, hot coffee. Perfect. You know I love coffee in the morning. Here you go. Be careful. It's very hot, thank you. The eggs taste really good. Okay. I'll have some fruit too. Let's eat together. Yes. Eating together makes mornings happy. Do you have your keys and wallet? Yes. I have everything. Don't worry. Good. It will be cold later today. Please take your jacket. Oh, yes, thank you. I almost forgot. Do you need anything from the store after work? Maybe milk and some bread. Okay. I'll message you if we need more. Sounds good. I'll buy them on my way home. Drive safely, Alex. Hello, love. How is your day going? Hi. It's busy, but I'm okay. I just finished a meeting. That's good. Did you eat lunch? Yes, I had a sandwich. What about you? I made a light salad. Nice. I wish we could eat together. Me too. But tonight we will. Yes, I'm waiting for that. Don't work too hard. Take a small break. Welcome home. You look tired. Yes, it was a long day. My legs really hurt. Sit down and relax. I made your favorite dinner. Really? What did you make? Rice, chicken, and vegetables. Wow, that sounds perfect. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Are you ready to eat? Yes, I'm very hungry. Okay, let's eat together. Mmm, the food is delicious. I'm happy you like it. Dinner was great. Now let's relax a little. Yes. What should we watch? Maybe a funny show? Something easy to watch. Good. Here you go. The show is starting. Haha, that character is so funny. Yes, I laughed a lot. Good choice. Now I feel sleepy. Me too. Let's go to bed soon. Today was long, but it was a good day. Yes. Thank you for everything. And thank you for taking care of me. Good night now. Sleep well. Good night. Today was special because of you. That's sweet. I feel the same. Let's rest and make tomorrow a good day.